Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add icons like emojis, for example, into your texts on Notion. It is very simple, guys, so let us dive right into it and show you how to make that happen. So head over to Notion, access your database, your page. Let me go with that test page here for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, I added already a bit of text to that example page here. So let me add, for example, another emoji to the text like I did here with that jack-o'-lantern emoji. So let me head over to this text here, this text box for demonstration purposes. Click into your text box here. And what you want to do after that is give the command or type in the command slash and then emoji, just like that. And click into emoji here amongst these filtered results. That is going to give you access to that list of applicable and supported emojis. So you can go with these faces, for example, or go through other categories like animals and nature, food, sports, activity, travel, and so on and so forth. So let me add, for example, that bell icon, and then let me add also another one. So give the command slash emoji back again, just like that. And after that, let me go this time with another object, like for example, that paperclip icon here, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to copy these guys, simply highlight it, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V to paste it. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.